bakit tayo hihinto, meron pa namang ibang issue other than confidential fund.
But the main character, sir, doon siniimbestigahan ninyo ay haharap sa impeachment court.
Tama po, pero kagaya po ng tinanong kanina, kung yung sa ibang issue naman po ay siya rin po ang involved. Kasi at the end of the day, kagaya po ng sa DepEd, yung sa computer, di po ba time din po niya yun? Part din po yun nung manifestation ni Congresswoman Jinky. So, doon po, haharap. Kung kinakailangan po siya ipatawag doon, ipapatawag din po natin siya doon.
Sir, good afternoon po. Sir, kasi yung filing of criminal charges and impeachment, magkaiba yung punishment nun eh. Impeachment, removal, criminal charges, may kulong. Mabibigat yung mga kaninang nabanggit. So, my question is, what is the likelihood of the House panel recommending the filing of criminal charges against the Vice President and her subordinates regarding this confidential fund controversy? Ano yung likelihood, sir, na magfa-file kayo ng, magre-recommend kayo ng filing of criminal charges against her and her subordinates? Like, give me a specific, 90%, 80%,
No, we
50%?
cannot, well, I'm sorry, but we cannot give you the exact, on how to guarantee. These are all part of the recommendation. What I probably, with all due respect to the chairman, sabi nga niya, this will be decided by all the committee, by the entire committee, all members. I think yung mga nakita po natin na mga violations and mga possible na mga criminal acts, probably the committee can come up with a recommendation to propose to yung mga appropriate agencies of the government to pursue their own investigation. Our task here is in aid of legislation. When it comes to pursuing those kinds of alleged violations or crimes, I guess what the committee can do is to propose to these agencies to continue on, proceed with the investigation because there's already an initial na nakuha na based from the information that we gather from a resource person. So I think with all due respect kay Chairman Joel Chua, yun po yung magiging recommendation probably ng committee na yun. Committee na ito.
And in addition to that, meron pa naman kaming isang meeting na kung saan kami lang po yun, mga miyembro. So, ang isa po sa mga, kasi let us be reminded the number one objective of this hearing is in aid of legislation. So, yun naman talaga yung number one na naging objective natin. So, insofar as yung mga ibang recommendation is concerned, pag-uusapan din po yan. And then we will let the proper agencies na kasi yun naman talaga yung hindi naman po namin task na maglitis.
Thank you. Kat Porbes.
Ay, good afternoon po, Kongs. So, since hindi pa naman po kinlose itong committee hearing po, may chance pa rin po ba tayo na imbitahin si Vice President Sara Duterte dun sa iba pa pong mga issue na tatalakayin?
Pwede po. Pag talagang kinailangan, talagang iimbitahin din po siya.
Pero sir, kunyari po, ibang topic na po, pero willing po siya na balikan yun sa confidential funds at sumagot. Pagbibigyan niyo po ba siya?
Pagdating sa confidential fund?
Kung meron
siguro
na po,
dapat sagutin niya yun dun sa proper forum. Dahil I think kung inirefer na po yung impeachment niya, nirefer po sa Committee on Justice, I think that is the proper forum para yun sagutin.
Ed Sarto from DZME.
Good afternoon po, Kong Chairman Chua and Congressman Adjong. Sir, clarification lang. Can we get a categorical answer? Kasi puro parang ang dating is once na nag-start na ang impeachment hearing, whether in the Committee on Justice or in the impeachment court kung makakadiretso na doon, Are you going to stop the investigation of good government and public accountability to give way either sa Committee on Justice or sa impeachment court?
Hindi po. Kasi po ang in-stop lang po namin is yung confidential fund eh. But insofar as the other fund is concerned, kasi kung kagaya po ng binanggit ko kanina, nag-emanate po ito dun sa manifestation ni Congresswoman Jinky at saka ni Congressman Valeriano. But yung kanila pong manifestation at yung kanila pong privilege speech ay hindi po nakatali lamang sa confidential fund. Confidential fund is just part of the manifestation and the privilege speech. Kaya nga, yun po yung kino-question ng ibang mga miyembro na bakit tayo hihinto, meron pa namang ibang issue other than confidential fund.
But the main character, sir, doon sa iniimbestigahan ninyo ay haharap sa impeachment court.
Tama po, pero kagaya po ng tinanong kanina, kung yung sa ibang issue naman po ay siya rin po ang involved. Kasi at the end of the day, kagaya po ng sa DepEd, yung sa computer, di po ba time din po niya yun? Part din po yun nung manifestation ni Congresswoman Jinky. So, doon po, haharap. Kung kinakailangan po siya ipatawag doon, ipapatawag din po natin siya doon.
Okay, sir. Thank you po.
If there are no further questions from our media friends, we will conclude this press conference. Thank you, Chairman Chua and Assistant Majority Leader Zia Jong for granting our request to hold this press conference. To everyone, thank you po.